Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my English YouTube channel, English with Masud Rana. In my previous class, I was just talking about the alternative word of yes. Now I will talk about some of the alternative word of no that I have written on the board. I will discuss one by one. At least I have written down 9 alternative words that goes very nicely instead of word no. Let's have a look. The first word that we can use instead of no, that is no. If you are, do you watch TV? If you are asked by the word, do you watch TV? You can say no, I don't. You can also ask another question. Did you went to Dhaka? Nope, I didn't. Nah, that is an American word, especially the American native speaker use this word in their daily practical lives, and it is much more informal, and it is specially used by the friends by their friends. And let's have a look by an example. Do you like coffee? If you are asked, do you like coffee? You can say, no, I don't. You can ask another question. Have you finished the work? You can say, no, I haven't. No way. You can. The third word that goes nicely instead of no, that is no way. And then look an example. Will you stay with me? You have just asked someone, will you stay with me? The person is answering the questions by saying no way. No way. You can ask. You can use another sentence. Will you sit by me? Will you sit by me? The answer may be no way. The fourth alternative word of no, that is sorry. It is much more British. The British native speaker use the word sorry instead of saying no. Let's have a look. Have you finished your job? You can say sorry, I haven't. You can say another example. Will you join the party? You can say sorry, I'll not. Then the fifth alternative word of no is not likely. It sometimes shows the possibility. By using the word not likely, it refers to the possibility of somewhere you are joining or not, somewhat like that. Let's have a look. Will you go to college? The answer is not likely. Will you drink some coffee? The answer may be not likely. The sixth alternative word of no, that is absolutely not or certainly not. It generally emphasizes. It generally emphasizes to your answers that you are not definitely going somewhere else, or you are definitely not doing something. Let's have a look at an example. I have written here, will you sing a song? That you can say definitely not, or certainly not, or absolutely not. You are just ensuring that you are just giving some emphasis that you will not surely join the party, or you will not do that or that, these or that, etc. Then the seventh alternative word, that is much more polite way to say no, that is absolutely not. Have you done your practice today? Have you done your practice today? You can say unfortunately not. Unfortunately not. It is much more polite way to say no, that is unfortunately not. The eighth alternative word of no, that is I am afraid of. I am afraid of. If you are asked, will you go on expedition? Will you go on an expedition? You can say I am afraid of. I am afraid of, that means you are just afraid of going somewhere else. You are just feared to go somewhere. I will pass on that. I will pass on that. This is the number 9 alternative word of no. I will pass on that. Instead of saying no, you can use I will pass on that. Let's have an example. Will you participate on that party next week? Will you participate on that party next week? You can say, I will pass on that. I will pass on that. That means you are not just going to join the party. These are the alternative words of no. Hope you guys will really get benefited from these words. I will discuss another things in another class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.